Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode here on Sir Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of the Lake Haven, a stunning houseboat that's turning heads on the water. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of a life on the lake, this vessel has something special to offer. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore what makes the Lake Haven a standout choice for your next aquatic adventure. Let's start with the key features that define the Lake Haven. This beauty stretches out at a generous length, giving you plenty of room to move around and relax. The houseboat sits low on the water with a wide, stable base, thanks to its innovative pontoon design, which ensures it stays steady even when the lake gets a bit choppy. You'll notice a spacious deck wrapped with white railings, perfect for soaking up the sun or hosting a small gathering with friends. The exterior sports a charming green finish with an orange roof, blending modern aesthetics with a cozy, home-like feel. There's also a sliding glass door leading inside, hinting at the comfort waiting beyond. For those who love a bit of tech, the Lake Haven comes equipped with basic navigation lights and a small outboard motor, making it easy to maneuver to your favorite spot on the lake. It's designed with simplicity in mind, offering a practical yet inviting platform for lake life. Now, let's talk about the design, which is where the Lake Haven really shines. This houseboat takes inspiration from classic lake cottages, giving it a familiar, welcoming vibe that feels like a floating retreat. The hull is built with a durable aluminum frame, lightweight yet tough enough to handle regular use on inland waters. The structure features a flat-bottomed pontoon system, which not only adds stability but also allows the boat to glide smoothly over shallow areas, a big plus for exploring hidden coves. The roofline has a slight pitch, adding a touch of elegance while helping water run off during rain. The deck layout is thoughtfully arranged with seating areas both at the front and back, connected by a wide walkway that makes moving around a breeze. Designers have kept the lines clean and uncluttered, avoiding the bulky look of some larger houseboats, which makes it visually appealing and functional. It's a design that balances practicality with a style that says, "This is your home away from home." Moving inside, the interior features of the Lake Haven are where you'll want to spend your time. Step through the glass door, and you're greeted by a cozy living area with light wooden floors that brighten the space. The main cabin includes a compact sofa with soft cushions, ideal for lounging after a day on the water, and a small dining table that seats four comfortably. The kitchen, or galley, is tucked to one side with a sink, a two-burner stove, and a mini fridge, enough to whip up a decent meal without feeling cramped. There's a separate bedroom with a double bed, complete with storage underneath for your gear, and a private bathroom featuring a shower, toilet, and sink, all fitted into a surprisingly spacious layout. Large windows line the walls, letting in plenty of natural light and offering stunning views of the lake. The use of neutral tones and simple decor keeps it feeling open and airy, while touches like a small bookshelf and nautical artwork add personality. It's a layout that maximizes space without sacrificing comfort, perfect for weekend getaways or extended stays. When it comes to performance aspects, the Lake Haven delivers a solid experience tailored for lake cruising. Powered by a modest outboard motor, typically in the 25 to 50 horsepower range, it's not built for speed but rather for leisurely exploration. You can expect a cruising speed of around 5 to 7 miles per hour, which is ideal for enjoying the scenery and keeping fuel costs low. The pontoon design reduces drag, making it efficient even with its wide beam, and the flat hull ensures it planes easily at low speeds. Handling is straightforward, with a responsive tiller or optional small helm, allowing even novice boaters to navigate with confidence. It's not designed to tackle rough open waters, so it's best suited for calm lakes and rivers. The stability is a standout feature, thanks to the dual pontoons, which prevent excessive rocking even with a few people moving around. For longer trips, it has a modest fuel tank and a freshwater system, though you'll want to plan refills and water stops. It's a boat that prioritizes ease and enjoyment over high-performance thrills. What sets the Lake Haven apart are its unique selling points, which make it a top contender in the houseboat market. One of the biggest draws is its affordability. Compared to larger yachts or even some mid-range houseboats, the Lake Haven offers a lot of value without breaking the bank. It's also highly trailerable, thanks to its manageable size and lightweight construction, so you can tow it to different lakes and explore new waters whenever you feel like it. The versatility of the deck space is another winner. You can add fishing gear, a portable grill, or even a small hot tub if you're feeling adventurous. The interior's adaptability shines too, with modular furniture options that let you customize the layout to suit your needs, whether it's extra sleeping space or a dedicated entertainment area. Sustainability is a subtle plus, with its efficient design reducing fuel consumption and the use of durable materials that stand the test of time. For families or small groups, the combination of safety, space, and simplicity makes it an ideal choice. It's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone who loves the water. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the Lake Haven, brought to you by Sir Boats Yacht. This houseboat blends practicality with charm, offering a perfect escape for lake lovers everywhere. Whether you're sipping coffee on the deck at sunrise or unwinding inside with a good book, the Lake Haven promises a memorable experience. If you're thinking about adding a houseboat to your life, this one's worth a serious look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you sailed a Lake Haven, or is there another boat you'd love us to review next? Until then, keep exploring the water, and we'll see you on the next adventure with Sir Boats Yacht.